Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just riding our bike around and we are starting a super fun project today. Mr. Cameraman's mom's birthday is coming up and she does work. So for her birthday, we're gonna make her some homemade, handmade work lunches. I haven't decided if they're gonna be frozen yet or if they are just gonna be in the refrigerator. But I just found out today that I can get 2 of the Wicked Kitchen's pesto sauces from my local Fry's, and I haven't been able to find those, and I really wanted her to try them. So me and Zena are on our way to go get them. Me and Zena just found it. They have an entire section of Wicked foods and Wicked, well, the pesto says Wicked Kitchen, but then the food says Wicked Foods, but we found the whole section. We just got so excited that we found these and literally every single jar is expired. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, me and Zena were looking at some of their other stuff just because we've wanted to try everything, and almost everything here is expired. These expired in 2021. It is now 2023. So, please, Fry's Marketplace at Cotton and Greenway in Surprise, Arizona, up your game, please, because I would like to buy some of this food. Well, me and Zena are tired of looking through everything. There's a chunk of the expired food, plus all of those, plus those, plus a bunch of the oatmeal. So I guess we are going to have to go to another Fry's. Guess who just rode their bike 6 miles away from their house just to be disappointed again? Because at this lovely Fry's food stores at Waddell and Litchfield, every single jar of Wicked Kitchen pesto is expired. I guess at Fry's, they don't check expiration dates. What a waste of time. I just want to remind you guys that it's 2023. This expired June 2022, 12/2022, and April 2022. I don't know what it is with this Wicked Kitchen stuff, but it's almost all expired at 2 Fry's I've gone to now. So I guess we're going to have to look somewhere else, or we're going to have to take this gift in another direction. Every single jar of those pesto is expired. Okay, we officially give up. We're at our 3rd Fry's. 12/22, 12/22, 12/22. Out of every single jar of Wicked Foods pesto they have, every single one expired last year, except for 3 expired this year, the first month. But they do have 3 that are not expired. So at least I can get 1 item. As with the other 2 Fry's we've been to today, here's a product that expired in 2021. Actually, a whole bunch of them. And almost everything else is also expired. So, is Fry's really fresher than fresh? I don't think so. Oh, look at that. That one's not expired. Oh, that expired in 2021. That expired in 2021. Well, me and Zena are back home, and we did accomplish, I guess, half of what I wanted to today. So I wanted to get the Wicked Kitchen's pesto. I wanted the black olive, and I wanted the orange pumpkin. And if they had the pink beetroot, I was going to get that too. I only got the black olive one. Everything else was expired. So, I mean, I don't know. That just kind of shocked me that Fry's had all of that expired product. I mean, I was super bummed, but overall, I'll eventually get it somewhere. So, I mean, this video kind of took a turn, but that's okay. I mean, I'm not in love with fries. I only go there very infrequently. I really like Safeway and Sprouts Farmers Market, but at Sprouts, they only have the frozen entrees of this brand. They don't have the pestos and the sauces. So I was gonna get some other stuff today just to try, but I was too mad about most of it being expired that I didn't want to spend the money on any of the other products, even if they weren't expired. But yeah, if you liked this short little video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.